Okay, guys, I'm going to go to Ask Scruff. This one's kind of, I think it's like a housekeeping question, in fairness. The question is, would there be a reason for a trade to be activated but cancelled before payment? I have some levels on GoldenEye, and then when the first level was activated, it disappeared. Okay. Could be a number of reasons as to what this is. Now, the first housekeeping reason, and this, it doesn't kind of matter whether you're on a sort of a web trader like this one or MT5s. The principle is the same, and you find it through your settings. So like on MT5, you'd right click and it'll say trade levels, etc. On here, if you press here, you can hide things like your indicators, for argument's sake. But you can also untick your open and working positions. Now, this is quite handy if you just want to see the chart bounce around itself without looking at anything else. But if you leave them unticked, when you go to put an order in, well, if you've got your working order ticked, you'll see the working order. But as soon as it's triggered, it would disappear because the open order's hidden. And that would be a similar thing on MT5. Let me just kind of pull this up and I'll kind of show you. So on MT5, if I pull that into shot and you click here, you can see your trade levels can be clicked on, or you can click them off. And if they're off, they'll just disappear as soon as they're activated. So what you really need to be doing is looking to see whether or not your P&L is moving up and down. If the P&L is moving up and down, then that means the order's just been hidden in one of those two methods. However, if your order's on the screen and it comes to trigger it and then disappears, it's normally a margin requirement. And what it means is you can put any order in you want, but when it comes to be triggered, if there's not enough money on your margin, it'll just naturally delete it. So if it's not one of them things, not rightly sure, but do a bit of investigating, see what you can come back with, and if it's not that, let me know what you found and then we'll dig into it a bit further. Catch you soon.